In this video, I'm going to show you how you can follow different channel on WhatsApp. You may know that WhatsApp recently launched channel option. I have uploaded a video about how to create WhatsApp channel. If you don't know how to create a WhatsApp channel, you can watch this video. Now, let's go and find some channels to follow on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp app, tap on updates. Here you will find channel list. You can swipe left or right to see different channels, or you can tap on explore more. Then you can find many channels: entertainment, sports, news and information, lifestyle, people, business, organizations. And here is a filter option. From here you can select the country. Select a country and then it will suggest you that country's popular channels. You can tap see all to see all the channels of that category. You can find this most active, popular, new, different categories. Or you can search a channel. Suppose I want to search Bangladesh cricket team, Bangladesh cricket, which has 1 million followers on WhatsApp. Let's follow this one also and open it, and you can find all the updates on WhatsApp channel. How to find this channel? Open WhatsApp and go to the updates, and you will find all the channels which you have created or followed. You can explore more channels. If you want to unfollow any channel, then tap on the three dot, and here you will find unfollow. You can check channel information also. You can mute the notification and so many things. Friends, that was our today's video. By this way you can find your favorite WhatsApp channel on WhatsApp. If you like this video, please give a like and share this video to your friends. Subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.